I'm Keanu. I'm going to show you some more monster trucks.
What are we gonna do with the monster trucks today?
Jump down.
What? Look at this new ramp. You got for what? Did you get it for Christmas?
I don't know.
Yes, Christmas.
Christmas, yeah.
Dun, 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 dun. This is his monster truck collection. I think we got most of them. And then we got this. I think it's a Hot Wheels Jam, Monster Jam maybe. This ramp and setup, and we're gonna try to land it in where it belongs. Okay, Keanu, let's do some jumps.
Okay.
Okay. What? That was so fast. I didn't get any of that. Okay, try again. Wait. What monster truck is that? You have to let me know so I know.
I think this is. Well, I know what this is.
What is it?
Earth Shaker.
Let me see. Whoa, Earth Shaker, and he has a load of dirt in the back.
Yeah.
Some earth.
Yeah, because he's a dump truck.
Oh, that didn't make it. Come on, Earth Shaker, try again.
Come on, Earth Shaker.
Okay, wait.
Come on, Earth Shaker.
Shader. Earth what?
Come on, Earth Shaker. Come on, you're the best.
Oh, yeah!
Oh, now it's time local punk.
Whoa!
Now son of a digger.
Who?
Son of a
Wait,
digger.
who is that?
Son of a digger.
Let me see, son of a digger. Is that his name?
He's like a black and blue. He's like a black and blue grave digger.
Oh.
So I gotta put him next to him because he looked like grave digger. He's grave digger's friend.
Oh, all right. I didn't know that.
That's silly.
That is silly, but all right. Who's next then?
I didn't do this guy.
Oh, we did. All right. Wait, hold on. Who is that again?
Son of a digger.
Son of a digger. Okay, go jump him. Put him in his basket.
Oh, okay.
Uh-oh.
I think son of a digger is not cool.
He's cool. Oh! He didn't jump, buddy. He went on the floor. Oh, you know what? We got the ramps all crooked. Okay, we gotta make sure
How
the
about
ramp...
we can do this one? This one's the best.
You sure? Because... Alright, let's try. I think that one's more... It's gonna just do backflips or something. Oh! Dun, dun. Alright, next guy. Who's that?
Monster Mutt.
It's Monster Mutt? Let me see Monster Mutt. Can I see him?
Yeah, he has teeth.
There, let me see. Hold it nicely so we can see it. And what's that in the front?
The tongue.
His Monster Mutt's tongue?
Yeah.
Aye. Okay.
He's sticking his tongue out.
Yeah, let's see if he can jump. Whoa! That was a good one.
No,
Who's this?
Alien Invasion.
Alien Invasion? Let me see Alien Invasion. Hold on about it. Yeah. Whoa. Is this the green one?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
green.
Let me see. Is anybody who's into... That's a nice one.
Oh,
All
I
right.
think it's green guy in there because he's green.
Oh, yeah. All right. Let's see if Alien Invasion can do it. Whoa!
How about that?
Who's this?
He's got crap.
Who's this? Whoa! Who is that guy anyway? Who is that?
Hey, his tail.
What? His tail came off?
Yeah.
Who is that, Keanu?
I don't know. What's his name again? Son of a digger. Booyah. Booyah, shaka brother.
Who's that guy?
I don't know.
What's his name? The shark guy. Mega Rex?
Mega
Oh,
Red.
man. All right, let's get in there. Who is this?
Hulk.
Let me see.
You are a Hulk,
This
Daddy.
is Hulk?
Yep. This is him.
Oh, let me see. Oh, he's got the purple. Oh, that's his pants that he rips when he's. Let me see the front. Can I see the front? Oh, it's two Hulk fist. Let's see Hulk. Okay, make it all nice now. Let's go. We gotta put it in there. All right. Oh man!
Come on, Hulk.
Come on, Hulk. You can do it.
Hulk. Come on. I think because he's crazy.
He's crazy.
Yeah, because
He's not crazy. He's just sometimes angry. Oh!
Go, Hulk. Go in there.
All right. Sorry, Hulk. You tried. Oh, you know what we should do?
Yeah.
How about put some crush cars on top?
Yeah.
All right, we got these crush cars. What you want to do with them?
Let's crash them. Let's crash them. Let's crash them. Let's crash them apart.
Oh.
Actually, let's do this. Ah!
Oh. Let me see.
That's silly.
Oh. Like that? It goes the other way.
I think you gotta do this. I like to do this.
Oh, all right.
But let's do this. Crash them.
Does it go on top? Let me see. Oh, yeah, it goes on top.
Oh, you go speed up.
Move it this way.
Wow.
Move it this way, Shannon. Try this way. Right? Like this. So stand it up here. Stand it up. Two hands.
Okay.
Okay. No, the other way so we can crush them down. Look, where the hole? It has to go in the hole, buddy. Here, take this one off. Take that one off. There, how about like this? And then we're gonna crush these two cards like that. Huh?
And how about these two? How about these ones too?
Alright.
How about let's crash them like that?
Alright, so we're gonna go up the ramp and then go down, crush these, and go inside. Okay, who's up next? Who's gonna do it for us? Who is that?
Roger Dodger.
This is Roger Dodger. Let me see. Whoa! Roger Dodger has choke flames on it. And look at his engine.
That's
Oh, okay. That guy's
sticking up.
definitely doing it. All right, let me wait. Let me hold this first. Line it up. All right. Go. Wait, where's all the crush cars? It exploded.
Now I got hit.
What? Oh, you hit it inside?
That's silly.
That is crazy. Oh, all right. Okay, who's next?
Go in there, cars.
All right.
Go in there, cars.
Oh,
Go in there, cars.
oh,
Go in
okay.
that, cars.
Okay.
Okay. What else monster trucks shall we use?
Okay, who's next?
Beep, 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 beep.
Who is it? You have this.
Hey,
Who
I'm
is it?
Chewbacca.
Who?
Whoa.
Who is it?
Chewbacca.
Let me see Chewbacca. Oh, this is from Star Wars collection. Monster trucks. Chewbacca. He's so hairy. You know how Chewbacca talks? I think something like that. Alright, let's launch him.
What is it? What is this on his back?
Let me see. I think that's like... Oh, it's a bow and arrow. It's like his weapon. Oh, nice. Look, that's a bow and arrow. That's his weapon. Oh, no. He didn't make it. Yeah, Chewbacca. There's so much cars in there already. Alright, who's this?
Hiya! Whoa!
Whoa.
I'm Darth Vader.
Who?
Darth Vader.
Oh, let me see this guy. He's gonna be cool. Alright, let me see Darth Vader.
And he has a sword.
Let me see the front. Oh no, that's not a sword, buddy.
What is it?
That's his lightsaber. Let me see his lightsaber. Oh, yeah. Let me see the front. This is his helmet. Oh man, let me see his eyes. That is a good one. Star Wars. Darth Vader. Up next. In there. Who's next? Who's this guy?
Captain America.
Captain America. Let me see Captain America. Oh man.
He has a shield.
His shield.
Yeah, so he can protect himself.
Oh.
Ow.
Nice. Yeah. Oh, I guess it works. All right.
What are these?
Let me see. Those are his wings that go on top of his helmet. That's why they put it on there. Captain America has his wings on his helmet.
Now it's time to start.
America was the best one so far.
He went slip.
Yeah, he went sliding down on his butt.
Let's not saying that.
Oh, sorry.
That is so bad.
Oh, okay.
Let's do Gravedigger.
All right, wait, you gotta make him straight. Who is this?
Grave.
Who? Who is this?
Gravedigger. He has sand.
Oh man, did we take Gravedigger to the beach? That's why.
Yeah.
Let me see Gravedigger.
He has
Let me
sand.
see. Show
Sorry,
me.
we can't do him.
No, we can do it. Let me see. Try to hold the tire so we can see Gravedigger's body artwork. Oh yeah, that is sweet. Let me see the top. Oh, Gravedigger is sweet. That's one of our favorites. Yeah, Gravedigger. Yeah. Okay. Line it up. Oh, you gotta line it up good. Okay, go. Oh. Oh, yeah.
Now it's time for this
That
guy.
was like a slow motion. Who is that?
I don't know.
Who is this guy?
I don't know.
Oh, let me see what he looks like.
But he's.
Here's stuff.
These are his
Let me
teeth.
see. Let me see. Show me. Oh, is that a cat or a lion?
I don't know.
Here, I put him down here so I can see.
I think this is a rough dog.
Rough dog. Oh, he's a dog because he's got a chain. All right. You guys gotta let us know who this is. We don't know who this is. It doesn't have a name.
Let me on the compilation.
On the what?
I don't know.
Did you see on the comments down below? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, comments down below. Say comments down below. Let us
Comments
know
down below.
Who is this guy?
I don't know.
Alright. Oh, he can he make this jump? Let me see. Oh, I thought he was gonna go. Wait. He did a backspin
Now
on there.
Bone Shaker. He's the best.
What? Let me see
Sorry.
Bone Shaker. Let me see Bone Shaker. Yep. Let me see. What? Bone Shaker is cool.
He's blackish.
Yeah.
And also
he's like
red.
He's like a matte black. Let me see the engine. Let me see the engine.
Look, a lot of it.
Oh.
Like a lot of stuff on it.
All right, Bone Shaker. Let's do this. Hi. Aww. Oh. I know. Oh, that's so good looking. Oh. Okay, wait. Let me help you. I'll hold it. Oh.
3, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time.
He's sideways. Yeah. Bone Who is that?
Whoa, Judge Charger.
Who? Judger?
No, Judge Charger.
Judge Charger?
Yeah.
Dodge Charger.
Dodge Charger.
Okay, what does Dodge start with? What letter?
D.
Not that. Alright, good job. Alright, let me see this guy. Oh, he's the old school Dodge Charger. They made it into a monster truck. I like that orange. That orange is very nice.
It's like orange hot. It's like soup. Soup is like hot.
Yes, soup is very hot. Oh,
You can't touch that. Don't touch a pan.
okay. Don't touch the pan. Oh, he popped a wheelie to the top. There you go. Oh, that was a clean one. That was a clean one, Dodge Charger.
King Crunch.
Who?
King Crunch.
King Crunch. That's one of my favorites. Let me see. Oh, King Crunch. Oh,
He fell down.
he fell out. He's like Captain America colors. Red, white, and blue. Let me see.
Yeah, that means he's Captain
I like his
America.
fins in the back. It's like not made. I guess it's just so it's lighter. Okay. Let's jump King Crunch. Oh no, King Crunch. Come on, King Crunch. Come on, King Crunch. No. Oh, he fell off the table. He's going crooked. That's why. King Crunch is going crooked. Alright.
Line him up.
Okay, go. Jump the crunch. Oh. Oh. Wait, fix his ramp. Look at the ramp is broke. Oh, his ramp is crooked.
Can you hold it for me? That's why.
Oh, that's why. That's my fault. Sorry. Oh. Perfect. You landed perfect. Who's that?
I don't know.
What's this guy's name? What's his name again? That's Mama. Mama, what's his name?
New Earth Authority.
What is it?
New Earth Authority.
Wait.
New Earth Authority.
New Earth Authority. Oh, hey. This one that glows in the dark. Yeah, this is the one that glows in the dark. Oh man, that's a helmet. That's his helmet. So does it battle aliens? That means. I think he battles aliens. All right, go.
I think he does.
Oh, he did a transfer. It went down the ramp. Oh. All right, go. Oh, I thought he was gonna make it. No.
Come on, alien.
Yeah. He went sideways.
Yeah.
Oh, and he's glowing inside. All right.
He didn't like it.
Okay, who's next?
Who else is there? Beep, beep. Ah!
Oh, you gonna do that? Who is that guy?
I don't know. Mama, what's this guy's name again?
Torque Terror.
Torque Terror.
Torque Terror.
Torque
Let me see.
Terror.
Oh, Torque Terror is kind of awesome. Look at these different colors.
Splat.
Splat. Ah, look at his
splat.
rims, his tires. Oh,
They're different colors.
all right.
So this is red and this is yellow.
Yes.
Alien
Keanu, was that a
invasion.
good one?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Alien invasion.
Zombie.
Zombie. Oh,
He went
Zombie.
on the other ramp.
oh, that was good. Zombie.
Now it's time to leopard charge.
Leopard shark. Let me see. This is my favorite. Leopard shark. Look at his teeth. Chomp anybody that.
Ow!
Oh, watch out! You gotta be careful. Leopard shark is crazy. All right, let's jump him.
This is so funny.
His tail got stuck.
Mama.
Alright, go get him off. Take him off.
How about
Oh, you want to leave him?
no? How about Total Loco?
Who? Wait. Who's that?
Total Loco.
Toto Loco?
No.
Or El Toro Loco? El Toro Loco?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh! Nice!
Monster Mud.
Who's that?
Monster Mud.
Let me see.
Take a look at him.
Let me see. Oh, he's a Dalmatian dog. Is that his ears? Oh yeah, he has ears. Hey, he has a tongue too. What is the other Monster Mud? Yeah.
Yeah, and I have a big Monster Mud.
Ah. All right. Last one. Look at that bag up. Sit down. Wait. Oh man.
Bye, kids.
Bye, kids. Was that awesome?
Bye, kids. See you later.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Do you like your new present from Christmas?
Yeah.
Is it awesome?
Yeah.
All right, it's good job. Okay,
Now-
we're
now
gonna do all
let's-
the other ramps next time. Okay.
Daddy, now let's do it
Okay, we're gonna
without
do the other
this.
ramps after.
Now let's do it without this.
You want to do it without that?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
How about
How
this?
is it gonna jump without it?
How about
Whoa! I guess it goes underneath. Whoa!
let's dump all of these monster trucks out again?
You gonna dump it all out again?
Yeah.
Alright.
So we can jump some jumps again. Whoa,
Alright.
that's a lot of piles.
Yeah. All right. Now what you gonna do?
Mm,
You gonna do it without it?
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's do it. It's gonna be so fun.
All
It's
right.
gonna be so much fun.
Whoa! Do you want to put it in the bucket, the box, or no need?
No need.
No need. All right.
Look at this guy.
All right. Who's that again?
Monster Mud.
All right. Go, Monster Mutt.
Whoa. How about let's do it without this?
How about you do it on this blue one then?
Okay.
It's a steeper one, so it goes. Oh, so it goes bigger.
Hey, Mega Rex. Mega Rex.
Mega Rex.
Mega Rex.
His tail came off again. Mm.
Ow!
Oh, careful. Mega Rex is crazy. He'll bite anything.
You want a backflip?
Yeah, he was doing a couple backflips on there.
Let's crash these cars before they get started. You have to crash these cars up because it's crash cars.
Oh, it is Crush Cars. Alright.
There's more crash cars.
Oh.
There's even more crash cars.
Oh yeah, that's the ones we threw in there. You threw in that box. Pile them up slowly. Nice. Okay, that's good. Okay, what you gonna do? How you gonna do it?
Let's crush them up.
Alright. You totally missed that, boy.
Ah.
Alright, let me see. Oh!
Oh, he crashed.
That exploded everything. Alright.
I squeeze.
Alright, let's see. Oh, look at all your monster trucks. Alright. Okay, next video, let's do monster trucks and Hot Wheels, okay?
What?
Okay, next video. Say bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Bye. See you later.